Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever. And open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You will now be able to see the diesel filter, which is located in the center of the engine compartment. Remove the electric connector by lifting up the plastic holding spur and pulling on the socket to release it. Remove the diesel inlet conduits from the diesel filter. To do this, use your fingers or a pair of pliers to push on the colored part of each end of the hose, then pull upwards to extract it. Repeat the operation on the other hose. Unscrew the flange cover on the diesel filter by turning it anti-clockwise. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Place the flange and filter in the collector. You must now drain the filter. Using a syringe or a hoovering tool, remove the diesel so that you can completely clean the flange with a paper towel.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Separate the filter cartridge from the flange, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Clean the cover with brake cleaner fluid and a piece of tissue. Get the new filter. Clip the new filter into the cover. Have the new gasket ready. Remove the O-ring on the filter box. Put the seal in place on the filter housing. Then, put everything back in the filter housing. And finally, screw the clamping clip back in, fixing it in place by hand. Put the electric connector back. Clip all the diesel filter hoses back in. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.